Hey guys, we are here with another unboxing video, I know, but I'm really excited about this. This is actually a sponsored video, sponsored by Zeiss. Zeiss has bestowed upon me the honor of partnering with them for their new Pride shoot that basically is encompassing everything leading up to Pride on what us photographers feel that love encompasses. I have a couple photo shoots that are coming up. We've got a couple of abstract concepts that we're gonna be playing with, but even more importantly, they gave me some toys. I've shot with almost every lens that Sony has to offer, and I've tested them against each other, and there's a reason that I gravitate toward Batis lenses. That reason is because they're badass lenses. Let me show you what's in the box, and we'll go through the reasons why I chose the lenses that I did. So here we go. We open this thing up. Let's start with the 85 1.8. 85 1.8, we open this thing up. Optical image stabilization, 85 1.8, and the coffin. This thing is so beautifully packed in here. You've got your lens hood here. Always shoot with the lens hood. It helps with your contrast. It also is a lens protector. Why put crappy glass in front of really awesome glass? That doesn't make any sense. This is why this lens is so awesome. Not just because it looks good with that nice OLED screen. It's sleek, it's lightweight, it's absolutely beautiful. You can see that nice glass that you're getting right in there, through and through. I love how light it is. It's gonna pair great with the Sony system. And even more importantly, for me, I don't care what it really looks like. For me, it's functionality. I'm a professional photographer and I can't have my gear failing on me. Those other lenses have beautiful qualities to them. The only thing is missing is there's a magical quality to Zeiss glass. I used to shoot weddings with my uncle, and he said, anytime you get an opportunity, shoot with Zeiss glass. The proof is in the pudding. Not only does it look good, but the functionality is absolutely on point. I've shot using sports, portraiture with this. I've even shot landscapes with this lens. Stoked about this lens. My other lens that I chose, the 40mm f2 lens. At first, when I heard about it, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of like, 40mm, why is that even significant? And then I actually got to test this lens out and I was completely sold. So when they said what two lenses you'd like, the 85 and the 40. When I'm shooting portraiture, I have these rules. Shoot wide, shoot tight, shoot high, shoot low. You never miss a shot and you get all different perspectives which offer a completely different feel every shot that you end up doing. Here we go. 67mm thread matches with the 85, so if you were to have a filter, you can use them both on interchangeably. I actually own the 35 1.4. I love that lens. It's just not as sharp in the corners as if I'm getting hired and paid to do something. I can't really rely on that. What I found here is that this was focusing, and I tested it at WPPI. The 40mm, it's not quite 35, but I'm still getting that beautiful sweet spot of being able to do a wider angle portrait with this. Not quite a 50, so I can get into those tighter spots. But here's the other fun part, is that if I'm traveling and I just want to bring one lens, the 35 has always been my go-to because you can use it for architecture, for portraits, and it's fantastic for street photography. The other cool part about this lens in particular is that it's a close focusing lens. It acts almost like a distant cousin to a macro lens. So if I don't want to travel with a macro lens and a lot of gear, I want to keep it light, you really can't beat how light this thing is. That same sleek design that you saw on the Batis 85, but now you're getting this with the ability to select your distance of your focal subject. Let's take this off so you can see the glass. There it is, all right inside there. These lenses are gonna be going on a shoot, a definite shoot that we're gonna be doing down in San Diego. I'm really excited to bring these lenses and to partner up with Zeiss. Like I said, this is a sponsored ad, but there is a reason that I shoot with them. I've been shooting with the Batis lenses and the Zeiss lenses probably the last 5 years now. Fantastic glass. There's something absolutely magical about it. Absolutely small form factor, crazy sharp lenses, and I can only expect that this 40 is going to give me that same kind of sharpness and quick response. Thanks again, Zeiss. I really appreciate it. And for those who follow, thank you. And I promise you, you're going to see some awesome results soon to come. Cheers, guys.